This video is being recorded. Hello, sir. First of all, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Are you able to see me or not?
Yeah, I'm able to speak, no problem.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, so we are meeting very first time. So may I know about yourself?
Why not, my brother? First of
Hmm.
all, thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am MK Gupta from UP State District Kushinagar. I'm done engineering from mechanical and now I'm working in Bahrain as a commissioning technician. My hobby to see the English movie, see motivational movie, and like to some English content. That's all about me.
Yeah, that's great to know about you, sir.
Okay. Can I know
Okay,
the
so
little bit?
yeah, this is my turn. So I'm going to introduce myself. So yeah, this is Israel. I am from Bihar. I am intermediate pass. If I talk about my hobbies, I love to travel. I love to talk new people. I love to learn new things. I am talking to you from the Kuwait. I
Oh,
run
Kuwait.
YouTube.
Oh my
Yeah,
God, I'm also living in the Gulf country. You are also living in Gulf country. That's good.
yeah,
Which
both
focus?
are living in abroad.
Abroad, you can say abroad. Yeah, Gulf country, you can say. Which field you are working?
I am trainer of the pigeon. I don't have any kind of degree. I'm not engineer. I'm not an engineer like you.
No, I'm
Okay.
not. I'm not engineer. I'm done in engineering, but I'm not engineer. Working only as a commissioning technician. I'm new candidate. I'm new.
You are working as an engineer, right?
I'm not working as an engineer. I'm working as a technician now.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So that's great. So may I know what kind of challenges are you facing in Bahrain?
Yeah, actually, I'm facing a lot of difficulty. Actually, when I'm talking unknown people, something facing problem, and speaking mostly people only know the two language like Bahraini people only local language Arabic and other language English. So I'm facing something problem of English language. So I'm starting English language and try to the more practice and make the fluent better.
Mhm. Okay. So which language do you speak in Bahrain? English, Arabic.
Yeah, actually, other my friend, everyone talking Hindi and other English language. Don't know anyone person talk to the Arabic, but other like local peoples, maximum peoples talk to in the Arabic language.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's great.
I don't understand your job. Can you explain me?
Mhm. Yeah, definitely. I can say I am trainer of the pigeon bird, and pigeon are trained by me. My Koiti, my owner has some pigeon farm. Okay, I
Okay.
take them. I take care pigeon. Okay, and as well as I train the pigeon, and pigeon are trained in winter season. So nowadays we can say winter season is going on. So I train the pigeon. I have trained the pigeon.
Okay.
Do you understand? Do you understand or no? Not
Yeah, understand. You are working not any company. You are working like a
in any company.
okay.
If I were in any company, okay, so I wouldn't be learning English.
Yes, yes,
I am living totally secluded area. I have time. I'm getting time. So I am utilizing my time. Okay,
yes, yes,
I'm trying to learn English language.
yes, yes. That is a good
So
way.
yeah,
If you have
definitely.
if you have more time, you can use your time for learn this language.
Hmm. Okay, so can I ask you? Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, no problem. Any question you can ask, my friend.
Okay. So what is your favorite way to learn English?
Only actually, my friend, only my four way to learn English. I am not giving more attention like grammar. I'm always uh, attention only for like listening,
Mm-hmm.
speaking,
Okay.
reading, and
Okay.
writing. But I'm only attention to only 2 point like
Mm,
the speaking and listening.
mm. Okay.
More
So
more
you
time
think,
using two option.
hmm?
More time only using only two option like listening and speaking.
Okay, okay. So do you think that without grammar you will learn English?
Yeah, actually, if you speak English, need grammar, but always think first need grammar, then cannot understand English language. First,
Mm-hmm.
if you will be speak, grammar automatically will become slowly. But
Mm-hmm.
first, will be think I will first read grammar, then will be speak. That is not too good. First of all, we can try to the speak each other and
Mm-hmm.
sure speak good sentences, a good word. Then
Mm-hmm.
automatically grammars will become in our
Mm.
vocabulary and in our minds.
Yeah, definitely. I am saying you are saying that, practice as much as you can. Speak English as much as you can, right?
Yes,
Then grammar will come in your mind automatically. Am I right?
yes, yes,
Mm. First, you try to speak,
yes,
right?
yes.
Then
Every
you learn
person,
grammar.
I know a lot of my friends have a lot of words in my mind. Reading, reading, writing, and listening everything, but they don't speak because uh, they always something effort of English and don't try to the speak anyone because
Mm-hmm.
not try will be not practice of English language. You can't speak. That's my thinking.
Yeah, they are able to listen. They are able to write. They are able to read, but they are not able to speak
Yes,
because they did not practice. Right?
yes,
That's why they are not able to speak. If they had tried to speak English, definitely, they would be speaking English.
yes, yes,
Practice is the most important. You
yes,
focus on yourself. You have to think. Okay. You have to take interest. We have to interest to learn English. You have to make yourself strong.
yes, yes.
Okay. You have to set your goal. If you have goal that no, I will learn English one day, I will speak English one day very well, definitely you will learn and you will speak English very well one day.
Yes, yes. I'm totally satisfied with you. I'm self motivated person. I'm every day I'm try to the every day improve myself and let's improving myself and every day I'm trying. Yeah.
Yeah, you should try to learn something new. And nowadays we are learning English. So you are living in Bahrain and I'm living in Kuwait. So
Something in our
only Arabic is spoken is Arabic is spoken in the Kuwait and Arabic is spoken in the Bahrain. So we don't have we don't have environment. When
yeah,
we were in India, so we did not have our environment, and still we don't have an environment. That's why we are facing some problem, right?
yes, yes. In my hometown, anyone 0% environment, but when I'm living and I'm
Mm.
living Bahrain, something environment including, then I can
Mm.
speak and make practice more.
Yeah, definitely you should practice. More you practice, more you will become better. More you speak, the more you will become better. Only you speak as much as you can. Only speaking, okay, will make you perfect.
Yes, yes. A lot of my friends maybe don't study more. Only maybe study and talking with businessmen. Only 6 standard education. Talking
Okay.
fluently. Only practicing. Only practicing through the listening, reading, and writing and speaking. He's
Mm-hmm.
talking from Mumbai and speaking fluently. I think that only 6 standard
You speak
person.
English fluently.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. I know, I know. Okay. Then when did you come? When did you go in Bahrain?
I had come. I sorry. I came 1 years ago.
Okay,
Before,
okay.
before
So
sorry.
did you go? Did you go in Bahrain first time and second
Yeah.
time?
I'm first time. I came first time.
Okay, so are you satisfied with your job and with your salary?
Yeah, I'm satisfied. Not more, but something satisfied.
Okay, okay. So what's your future plan? Now you are earning money. You have come in the country in Bahrain. Okay. So what's your future plan? What are you thinking about your future?
Actually, my future a secret plan, but something just I'm sharing you my big goal, and I will try to the fluent speaker, and when will be maximum will be able to the fluent speaker, I will try my next goal.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. That's great. That's everything comes by practice.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Without practice does not come anything. You practice only. Okay. Lots of people say, no, first of all, you have to learn grammar, then you have to speak English,
my
then
friend.
you
I'm
can
also
speak English.
I'm speaking something making mistake, no problem. But I'm always try to the improve yourself. So I'm improving. I'm trying. I'm learner. Any one person. Every making something mistake. Without making mistake, don't learn.
Yeah, see, mistake is part of our life. If you do any make mistake, then you will learn something by mistake. Okay. So don't think about your make mistake. Okay. You learn. You learn everything. And you
Yes, yes,
learn something. When I was beginner, I was not able to speak. When I used to take session with people, I used to make mistake a lot. Okay.
okay.
But when I started, when I started, thinking, oh my God, I took session, and after taking session, I made mistake. Then my mind was not functioning well. Then I forgot everything.
Yes, yes,
Okay. Then, I tried to speak, write English.
yes, yes,
I tried to speak. Then I tried to correct speak. Then I tried to speak correct English.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
It happens sometimes, we want to say something, but some else comes out of my mouth, right?
yes.
Happens sometimes.
Automatically will become words in our mouth. So whenever you try to speak, I'm also try. I'm fully satisfied you. When I'm talking any other person, I'm also my mind's words coming. But when will we not talk any other person, I will not practice. I will I will forget. I will forget some words and sentences. So
Yeah.
every day I try to connect 2 or 3 people through the Skype. But Skype mostly people not available on time. But no problem. Every day 1 or 2 people mostly connected and talk
Yeah.
together.
Actually, people are not active because, they must have work.
Yes,
They
yes.
are
Some,
doing,
some people
uh,
working person, some people like YouTuber and some busy person. So no problem. But
we don't have, same time. We have different time. Your time is different. My time is different. Okay.
every different
You know,
time.
my Kuwaiti, my Kuwaiti comes every day. So today he did not come. Okay, that's why I have time. That's why you can say I'm talking to you. I'm doing practice. Okay. If he had come, so can say I wouldn't have practiced. So because
Okay.
of the time,
When did you went Kuwait?
I am I am old, better than you.
Old? How much year?
I came, I came Kuwait in 2014. It's been 10 years.
10
I'm
years.
only 5 years old.
Okay. How many year old?
Huh? 35 years old.
35. Oh my God. I'm I'm only 25. I'm less than 10 years old. Oh, same place you are working before 10 years.
Hmm.
Same place.
रुको एक मिनट. Yes, no, I'm not working in the same place. Earlier, I came in the house. I used to cook food in the house. So I kept on working in the house for 4 months. Sorry, 4 years. After that, you say, I talked at that time my salary was not good. So I talked my Kuwaiti. After that, and I said to him that sir, my salary is not good. So please you should increase my salary. After that, he denied it. After that, I told him, if you want to release me, then please you relieve. I have come here to earn money. After that, he gave me release. After that, I changed my place. This is my new place. Okay, I'm working here.
Okay, same like me. I'm also before company, old company working, not
Hmm.
something good. So I'm trying to the after 1 years and try to change other company. Now I'm working new company.
Mhm. Yeah, definitely. No, because we have come here to earn money. Okay, we have come,
Yes,
but we are able to earn money lots of.
yes.
What will you do? We are
Salary
not
and
able.
my foods and need good salary for survive my family and my everything.
Hmm. Okay, okay, brother. Give me allow to come. Give me allow, to go. So I'm going.
Okay, you
I have
want
some.
to yeah, you want to end this calls?
Yeah, sorry.
You want to end this call and another calling you?
No, no. Actually, no. I have, some person has come, so I have to talk with him.
Living alone or living together with like other people also
No, I'm living alone.
living
Okay.
alone.
When I will take session, two session with you. When I will take a second session with you, then I will tell everything about me.
Okay.
Okay. Huh?
Okay. Okay.